Maybe it's not the best time to vlog while we're trying to dodge cars. So today, my husband is taking me on a date.
I don't remember. We're gonna go all the way over there.
Yeah.
Oh man. You want any of those?
I'll get it in a little bit.
Oh my god, oh you gotta press it?
Is that meant to be rolls? I know you like your rolls.
If you want.
Let's try it.
Oh my god.
Try the beef?
Cheers. Pull it up.
That's why you're here. Otherwise, I'm not gonna be able to. What's this one?
Yellowtail.
Taffy. Oh, they have Zots. This is what I wanted.
This is the hard part. Trying to get it to. It's like almost there. There.
Wow, you're so smart. Okay, gonna go? Bro, you doing that like F me up, bro.
Then you start like falling off to the side.
We do that again.
But the language, how does he do it? He's just like.
We're in the tilted wheel right now, and it's kind of trippy. Oh my god. Oh, my hip. gosh.
Instead of like what I just did.
Oh, that's cool. You got a whole dance group right there. Oh, it's so dark. You can't even see us. Oh my god. Wait, why are you over there? Why are you all the way over there?
Oh god.
Dude, no need to drink. Just go through this and you can drink already. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna throw up my lunch, bro. Enjoy the company of your clones.
It's like an infinite look kind of because the mirror goes back and forth. Just call me Neo. No.
Where is it? Oh, looks like I'm in Narnia.
Images appear based off the color.
Oh, that's cool. Oh, that's bright.
This is a white.
Oh, I see. Okay.
How is it supposed to? Oh, so if I do this. Wow. Oh, I see. So it's like.
Bend down a little bit.
So it's like.
Right there. Okay. Now bend down a little bit.
Oh, it does. Yeah. Alright, Tom. What did you think about the museum?
It was good. Entertaining,
Yeah.
I'll say.
I thought it was pretty cool too. I wish it was longer.
Really?
Yeah, I wish there's a few trippy exhibits that made us nauseous, but I wish there was more. You know, to the point where like you kind of know your limit or something.
I
Just you.
guess.
I enjoyed it. I will definitely bring my siblings here next time. Yeah. We also bought some things, so we'll show y'all later. Alrighty, we are back from our little date or hangout or whatever. We went to have sushi, and then we also decided to walk around. I got some candy, since there are some candies that I either have not tried or it's been a really long time since I've had it, and I had a sudden craving for candy last night. So we also got some things from the Museum of Illusions. So I am going to show you what we got. I got the little Nick and Nip kind of like wax thing. This was prettier in the bag, but I guess just carrying it around for a long time, like it just got shifted. But anyways, I got the regular ones. Looks like this. And I also wanted to try the sour ones because I've never tried it. So it looks like this. I'm excited to try it. And then I got like a little small bag of candy. I could have gotten the full like half pound for like $6 and something cents, but I was like, you know what? We just splurged on sushi, so I'm trying to not overspend. So if you haven't had Zots, it is so freaking good. It's like a hard candy, but then in the middle it has like this like powder inside, and it fizzes. So it kind of like fizzes in your mouth, and it's so good. I got the watermelon. I also got the blue raspberry. I don't normally eat blue candy because I don't like how it stains my tongue, but I don't remember trying this flavor, so I got that. I got strawberry. Yeah, I got strawberry, and then I also got a grape. I only got one of each so that I can kind of limit myself. Yeah. I got high chews. I've had high chews in the past. They sell it at Asian stores and stuff. But I decided to just put a few since I haven't had high chews in a while. So this is apple, strawberry, and grape. And then I got a black taffy. I think this is a saltwater taffy. I'm not too sure, but it's a primrose candy. I don't know what black taffy is, but I don't know. It smells licoricey. So I only got one just to try, just to say I've tried it. So yeah. And then Beto Honey, this is the only non-fruit stuff that I got. It's such a good like nutty caramelly candy. I don't know how to explain it, but it's supposed to be like an old-fashioned candy, and it's so good. It's really good. I really enjoy it. It's kind of like a texture of a Tootsie Roll, but the flavor is more nutty and stuff. There's no chocolate or anything. And then I also got some of these, what is it? Sassy taffy. These are supposed to be sour. They didn't have any flavor, like the names of the flavors or anything displayed. So I wasn't sure if they're different flavors or whatnot. So I got 2 different colors just in case they're different flavors. Oh, actually I got a green one too. And then I got warheads, I got watermelon, and I got apple. And then toxic waste, I don't remember ever trying this candy. I don't remember actually. But this is the pineapple passion fruit. And then there's the raspberry lemon. And then I got Smarties because I loved Smarties growing up. But then I saw that they have a sour Smarties. It's the extreme sour, and I've never tried this before. So I decided, I don't know if the camera's gonna get it or not, but I decided to get this to test to see if it's sour or not. Anyways, so these are all the candies I got. I'm gonna try all these candies while I'm watching TV, let's be honest. So I got myself this, it's called a Glowsy. I got the glow in the dark. So it comes like this, and it looks like a ring, but then when you split it, it comes out like this. I consider this kind of like a fidgety toy, so it really helps with like my anxiety. It kind of helps me just be able to play with something while I'm watching TV. I can literally do this all day. And then you can just take it off. I just think it's so cool. I think I am going to be playing with this a lot. But yeah, there's that. It looks like that. Okay, so we have the infinity cube. It looks like this. Again, you can literally, it looks really cool. See? Just an infinite cube. So it looked really cool on the desk. Then we have this desk spinner that we're gonna put it on the desk, and so it has a flat surface, but you just put it on the desk. And why is it not spinning? Maybe because my hand is not flat, but yeah, it just spins. It just spins. Look at that. Okay, so there's that. The snake cube. You keep the manual, and then there is like, oh my gosh, I don't want to ruin it, but you basically just it's connected by a string, and then it's a snake cube. So basically it's all interconnected, but then you have to kind of use your brain a little and make it go back into a cube. Then it looks like that. So yeah, I think it'll be cool. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.